As a new YouTuber, if you upload your first video on YouTube, it's either you get 0 views or you get little views. But in my case, I was able to get 2,000 views and 62 plus subscribers on my first YouTube video. This is not luck, but it is due to certain things I did on my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to share these tips with you so that you can also implement it on your YouTube channel. Alright guys, so this is the video I am talking about. The video I posted it on July 4th 2024. Okay, that is my first YouTube video and it has 2,000 views and 83 watch hours. Yes, so as you can see my analytics, it has 2,000 views and 83 watch hours and 64 good subscribers. You understand? Good. So I'm going to tell you how I was able to, get these figures. Okay. So let's get started. First of all, what I did was to tap into a trending topic. And the trending topic was that Facebook has now allowed Ghana, Nigeria, and some other African countries to monetize their Facebook pages. Okay, and people went to Facebook searching for ways to, monetize their Facebook pages. You understand? So that was a trending topic that was going viral, and I tapped into it. You understand? So that is the first thing I did. I'll be showing you the second thing in a few moments. Okay, but I want you to know that as a new YouTuber, you need to start tapping into trending topics. Okay, trending topics, because that is what people are looking for. You understand? Good. Now, the second thing I did with this trending topic is that I went to Facebook, watched a lot of videos concerning Facebook monetization so that I can do a video on Facebook monetization. So I watched the videos, and after watching the videos, I went to the comment section and I realized this thing. And what I realized was that people were complaining in the comment section that they have met all the criteria, but it is left with only one criteria, which is the content monetization policies problem. Okay, and that it was not taken green. So I was scrolling, I saw a lot of comments like that there. I saw a lot of comments. I went to another video, watched the video, went to the comment section, I found the same problem, watched another video, went to the comment section, I found the same problem, and I realized that yes, that was a content gap. So I also searched how to fix content monetization problem on Facebook. I searched for it, I watched the videos, I watched about 3-4 videos or more. Yeah, I don't really remember. And I realized that the YouTubers were saying the same thing, which is to post original content, which is to avoid copyrighted videos and other stuff. You understand? That is what everybody was saying. They were also saying, if you are finding that problem, contact the Facebook customer care. That is what everybody was saying. And what I was having in mind was totally different from what they were saying. So I realized that yeah, this is a very good content gap for me to share my idea, even though I am a new YouTuber. Okay. Yes, so I decided to share my idea, which was different from theirs. Mine was that you need to run Facebook ads in order to fix that issue. Okay, so I did the video and said it inside and said it in the video that in order to fix the Facebook content monetization problem, you need to run ads on your Facebook page. You understand? Good. So that's a content gap I found. So the advice here is that watch people's videos. Okay, after watching the videos and get an idea, go to the comment section, look for the complaints in the comment section and see the ones you can do videos on. Okay, remember, the people in the comment section are the same people who go to the search bar to search for things. You understand? Good. So that is what I did, and this happened. I got 2,000 views within a space of 1 month on that video, my first YouTube video. Okay, so that is why I am saying it is not luck, it is due to what I did. You understand? Yeah. So I want you to implement this thing on your YouTube channel right now. And since once it has been able to work for me, I am very hopeful that it will also work for you. And I want to, go to my video analytics to see some of the other things that, also helped the video to do well. Okay. So one thing that helped the video to do well is what we call audience retention. Okay. So the video is a 6 minute video and it has audience retention of 37%. People watch the video 2 minutes 27 seconds. Okay. Now audience retention is a metric used by YouTube to determine how people interacted with your video, how long people watched your video. And bear in mind that the more people watch your video, the higher the chance of YouTube promoting that video. You see, YouTube is a business center, okay, and they want people to be on their platform so that they can make money. So the more people watch your video or the more people stay on your video, YouTube is automatically going to promote that video. Okay, no wonder this video did well, because this is one of the videos on my channel that has a higher audience retention. Though 37 is very small, but speaking from the perspective of a small YouTuber, I think this is very good for me, because it is not easy as a small YouTuber to get this audience retention I'm talking about. Yeah, so bear it in mind that you need to consider this. Okay, make sure you have a good audience retention, and you can get it by, first of all, hooking your audience in the first part of your video. Okay, in the first 30 seconds of your video, let the audience know what you are going to do in the entire video. Okay, now let's look at the click-through rate. The click-through rate is 7%. Okay, YouTube showed it to 23,000 people. Yes, not really 23,000 people, but YouTube showed it 23,000 times. And then people clicked, the click-through rate, that is how many times people clicked on it, something like that. Yeah, it's 7%. Okay, yes, and the views is 2,000. All right, so let's see the watch hours. I got watch hours of 83.4, and this is by far one of my largest and biggest watch hours on this particular channel. Okay, and let's look at the subscribers. 64 subscribers, which is very, very good for a video with just 2,000 views. You see, for 2,000 views, you get around 20 subscribers, especially if you're a new YouTuber like me who is not having so much experience. You understand? Yeah, so 64 subscribers from 2,000 views for me is very, very good. Yeah, so guys, this is what I want to share with you. Okay, so let me go over the points again. Tap into trending topics. Okay, after tapping into the trending topics, second thing is to watch other people's videos. Okay, after watching their videos, go to the comment section, look for problems people are facing. Okay, and then make videos on those problems. Okay, you can use vidIQ to search for that problem and see if a lot of people are searching for it, and then you make a video on it. You understand? And once you do that, gradually you can gain some views on your YouTube channel to boost the momentum of your channel. So guys, thank you for watching. This is something small I just feel like sharing with you. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel if you are new here. When you subscribe, it tells the YouTube algorithm that yes, I am doing something great here. And also like this video for me. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you are facing problem with your Facebook content monetization, you can check somewhere up here for it, or one of the end screens. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you